just as I expected. Only changed the top timing. Did not change the main one. I can see the tensioner plastic with the plate. I guess now it's time to do the bigger job. I was able to get in with the borescope. They also sell them for like $1. You can plug into your phone. Works great. Good way of doing it. Save me some guesswork. But in the long run, I'm going to have to replace the main timing chain. Thank you. If this helped anyone, please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. There'll definitely be more to come, like everyone else that has a Jaguar XK8.